Hi everybody, my name is Taylor Green. I'm one of the audiologists here at Audiology Associates.
My name is Rhys Barber. I'm the other audiologist here at Audiology Associates. So we've got a compilation of two patients. This first one's one of mine. You've got one of Taylor's straight after then. So this one here, you can see we've got this really light material here right at the entrance of the canal, right in that lateral portion of the ear canal here. Very, very tough little plug, this one.
Quite a dry plug as well.
Yeah, you tend to find with these lighter colours sometimes is all these with patients with like eczema and dry skin bits, they all end up inside these plugs, don't they? So they're quite tough old bits.
They can be quite deceiving as well sometimes because they look soft when you first look in there with these little bits of like, you know, the shine of the, which you think is soft wax, but it can sometimes be solid.
It's absolutely solid, doesn't it? So we've got this big plug coming away. There we go, out that's come. We're going to take a look behind that in a second.
Colour gradient.
It is, yeah, it's very different all the way through, isn't it? The eardrum look, you can see the eardrum looking nice and healthy there.
Yeah, textbook.
Yeah, I think I do go back in and just tidy up a couple of these little bits. Yeah, just around the outside edge. You can see just a couple. Basically, with these pieces, you don't have to take these away. It's perfectly fine to leave them there. This is more of a cosmetic thing, really. We just take these away just to make it look a bit tidier in there. So we're just getting rid of these little bits. Here's one last little piece. There we go. There we are. So there it is. So there you go. That's gone. There. There's a little bit right at the entrance there as well. But that's looking so much better in that side. Patient very relieved to get that out. Exactly the same story now on this side though. You can see that plug there. The biggest difference here is where we've got this very sort of elongated S bend in the ear canal. A very gentle S bend, I should say. Chicane. Is it chicane?
Oh, that's a good one. Yeah.
This was actually formed into the shape of that S bend, so it's front to back. So when we're pulling from the front, we're getting side to side motion, but it's not coming forwards, and that would indicate to me normally that it's stuck somewhere.
It's a bit stuck.
So I think we're gonna have to switch up tools in a minute. Now, what you can do with these sometimes, if it is formed into that S shape, is you can use one of the manual tools like the Jobson Horn we've got here and break the front end off, and that way then you can move the next section around into its place, which is what I'm trying to do here. But you'll see as I'm trying to break this front end off, it's still really firmly attached to the section behind. That's all I've done, sort of folded this front section. So I'm going to try and get behind that one and pull that forwards.
Oh, here we go.
Yeah. And what's happened now, which is always lovely to see when it happens, is you start to see the entire plug start to pull down the canal with this one.
Yeah.
That's the movement you want. That sort of big slide. There you go.
Sudden.
There, yeah.
I don't know.
We should do side effects. Not side effects, sound effects on this. Really. They came away really nicely.
Nice and healthy.
I'll have to see if I can add a pop in there later on. Yeah, that's it. But it's come away really well. Ear canal looks nice and clear. Some big chunky old plugs in there. Oh guys, don't forget, if you do enjoy these videos, if you don't mind, subscribe, follow, heart.
I forgot to give you the nudge this
thumbs
time.
up. No, I just spotted it. Thumbs up. All those different things, that'd be awesome. We do love getting new subscribers. We also love getting comments. So pop into the comment section. We might not respond, but we do read them all. I'm going to be quiet. This is Taylor's patient.
Yeah. So no, this patient came in to us admitting using cotton buds because a lot of people don't sort of just say no cotton buds
miraculously appears in the ear canal, although never ever been used by the patient.
Oh, how was that got there? So no, this particular patient, when you're sleeping. No, this patient actually admitted using cotton buds. Now, what had happened? They used one cotton bud, pulled the cotton bud out, and like a magic trick, just kind of disappeared. Thought it had fallen on the floor, and the day after, when they were cleaning the ears out, pushed another one in, which pushed this piece that was in the ear already further into the ear. It's causing some problems. So you can see how dry the cotton wool is. It's a very new cotton wool. So this is only, I think, was only about 2 weeks old. Usually you will see if it's been in there for quite a while, because we have seen some cotton wool that has been in the ear for years. You'll see there's a lot of where they've used plenty of oil, there's wax and skin all mixed into it. We've got a little bit here, which we've just gone back in with the forceps. You're very, very slowly taking that away, which is looking a little bit dry, but healthy.
It's quite common, isn't it, when we get these plugs, these dry plugs, it sucks all the oil out of the ear canal and all the moisture. You end up with this really dry skin there a lot of the time, don't you?
So 1/2 inch, what's that,
1.5 centimeters.
Oh, I'm so bad at
See, I can't the other way around. I can't do inches, but you seem to do inches really. Perhaps you'll do inches for now, and I'll do the centimeters.
It's because the lines are bigger.
Is that what it is? I can see it better. So it's basically it was a really dry old ear canal, and that's quite common. Sometimes if they're really old as well, when they've absorbed so much of the oil from the ear canal walls, they go almost the same colour as our wax and get really hardened up, don't they?
Yeah.
But yeah, that's a nice one too. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video as much as me and Taylor did voicing it over. If you do enjoy the videos, don't forget to heart, like, subscribe, follow. Thank you very much. As always, guys, we'll take care of your ears.
Take care of one another. We got that one completely wrong and we messed that one right up.
Oh, yourselves. Take care of yourselves. That's the other thing we're doing. So we don't do this very often. It's only at the end of every single video.
It's only the end of every single video. But
oh, well, thank you guys. See you soon. Bye.
See you. Bye.